Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to use AutoDS for Shopify. Let's get started. First, head over to the AutoDS website and sign up. They offer a 14-day trial for just $1, which you can cancel anytime. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to your AutoDS dashboard. Here, you will see various product categories, trending products, print-on-demand options, and more. Now, it's time to connect AutoDS to your Shopify store. On the left-hand panel, click Add Store at the top. Click Single Product. Then, click Add Store again and choose Shopify. Click Continue and then select the Shopify store you want to connect and click Continue. Click Install and then go to your Shopify store and download AutoDS. Click Install, then it will open an AutoDS application. Click the pin on the left side of the screen, then it will go back to AutoDS platform. Now let's import some products from AutoDS Marketplace. Browse best sellers or use the search bar to find a product. If you find something you like, just hover over the product and click Import to Drops to easily import it. You can also add a product manually by clicking on Add Products. Then, choosing Single Product. Just paste the supplier's URL from platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or even TikTok, and AutoDS will fetch the product data for you. For example, let's go to AliExpress. Click a product, copy the link, then go back to AutoDS and paste it on the product ID. Then, click Edit Now and it will open the product. If you want to find the product on the marketplace, you can search it, then import in Drops. On the left corner of your screen, click Drops. Once a product is in your drafts, you can fully customize it. Click on the draft, then edit the title, tags, collections, variants, images, and pricing. You can even click Optimize Title with AI to improve product titles automatically. When you're happy with the product, just hit Save and Import, and it will appear in your Shopify product list. Go to your Shopify dashboard, click Products, then you find the page here. You can also edit it here. Back on the AutoDS dashboard, you can view your profits, total orders, revenues, and manage everything from one place. There's also a print-on-demand product if you want to create and sell custom items like t-shirts or mugs. AutoDS also offers powerful tools like AdSpy to check out trending ads, or the handpicked sections where you will find high-converting products with great returns. Some features are paid add-ons, like AdSpy for $15 per month, totally optional depending on your strategy. And that's it. You have now learned how to use AutoDS for Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.